we are at the Denver Auto Show, and here is the Beast, the weather truck for Fox News Channel 31. The first section we stop at is the Nissan section. We got the Nissan Altima, Nissan Versa, Nissan Z. And right next door over here is the Chevy section over here, and these nice trucks. Let's take a look at this Altima and see how this Altima looks over here. And I'm going to try to get close to the window stickers if I can. This one looks like it's a Turbo SR or 5R. Can't read that too good. And here's the window sticker. The sticker on this vehicle is $38,275.90. Why do they charge 90 cents? Go figure. Anyhow, here's the Z. A lot of people around here today. The Z's doors are locked, so nobody's getting in. Otherwise, they'd be sitting in the car. This is a beautiful Z. I like the top on it. And I can't get too close over here.